Hey Sandy, I found a parrot.
Yes.
Greenish.
You found Citron?
Okay, he escaped death. At least in this dimension. How are you gonna get him home? Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode on a Moggycraft server. And we are just starting things off at the gold farm that we built last time. But you might notice that there are not that many drops in here, well, except for rotten flesh. That's because I turned most of the gold nuggets into ingots. And you might ask yourself where they are right now. Well, they're not actually in my ender chest, I thought they were, but they are at my base. So in this shulker box right here, you can see we have an entire shulker box full of gold ingots. Now, I think before I'm gonna start doing anything, maybe it would be a nice challenge to go for a full shulker box of gold blocks, maybe? That will require a lot, and I mean a lot of AFKing, because this is like 2 hours, I think. So 2 hours for 3 stacks of blocks. 2, 4, 6, and then 6 times 18 hours. That's quite a long time. So we'll probably maybe go for 9 stacks of blocks. I don't know. But I definitely want a nice amount of gold before I start doing anything with the piglin bartering. And we do have another shulker box right here. So I've actually gathered a few resources for Sandy, who is building on, let's see, a horse stables right over there. Because I gave her some saddles from the raid farm, and now she's very much in the building mood for anything to do with horses. And this is the only view we're getting for now. It's not finished yet, I heard. But yeah, I definitely gave her a nice amount of wood and some smaller items that she needed. And this is what we got back for it. A total of 10 diamonds and a pink tulip. Of course pink because, well, Sandy. And probably tulip because, well, Dutch. But appreciated nonetheless. So let's actually add these diamonds to our riches box. And because we're so close, I would say let's also get these. They're not too hard to find anymore. I mean, these are. So I might actually mine the deep slate diamond ores instead. I'll just leave some of the regular ores behind. And put this in the offhand. And let's see how many diamonds we can get. And see if we can finally get to that stack of diamond blocks that I've been wanting to get since literally episode 1. Episode 1 was kind of discouraging, episode 2 as well, because, well, we couldn't really find diamonds until we discovered the lapis trick. But anyway, we have 50 diamonds over here. And combined with the ones we have, that means 66, which means 7 blocks of diamonds. Which translates to da 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 over a stack of diamond blocks. We finally got there, and you might be wondering, why is your inventory so full? Me and Sandy have been going on an adventure for which I would show you the footage right now.
Where should I be?
The fountain.
The fountain.
So,
Oh, there
okay.
was this.
A while ago, you wanted something, and I remember that even longer ago, you lost something. How about we go get both of these things right now?
Okay.
So the
But
thing
what?
you lost was from episode 8, Chaos to the End. Citron? If you remember. Yes.
Oh my god, yes.
And the other thing you wanted was a panda, and both of them should be in the jungle that we actually crossed when we went to the end.
Oh my god.
So I only have 6 rockets right now, but I'll go craft some more. How many do you have?
15.
Okay, I don't know if it will be enough, but I'll definitely go grab some gunpowder and craft us some rockets. Okay, so you remember which direction to go in? Also, here's a stack of rockets.
Uh, mm, wait.
Okay, you ready to get going?
Ready?
Okay, then let's go.
I hope it will load.
Probably, we've been here before.
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah, it's still a server. I don't know if this is the jungle where we found Citrom though. I don't think it is. Also, you should probably pay attention because what likely happened is that at one point you jumped and Citrom got off your shoulder and then he didn't follow you anymore, something like that, but he might teleport to you if you get close enough to him.
And I saw a cat on this tree. I have a bed. Oh, hi.
Yeah, it's
It,
definitely a cat.
it's a yellow cat.
It's a ocelot.
I thought they live in the water.
Why would a cat live in water?
Axolot.
That's an axolotl. And this is an ocelot. Anyway, I don't have fish with me, so I cannot tame it. Do you?
No.
Okay. Well, I do have good news. I think I found a panda, or the biome at least.
Yeah.
So, do you see that lot of bamboo over there?
Yes.
That's usually the place where pandas spawn. So I'm not seeing any pandas just yet, but this is the biome. So what we could actually do is just flatten the entire area and just wait for pandas to spawn as well. I found a parrot.
This looks like Pichka.
Okay, fine, because you named it already, I'll help you get some seeds and tame it. But as soon as we see a red parrot, that's gonna be mine.
Mario. You know I have a. I mean,
Okay, here you go. Here's some seeds.
you know I have a blue parrot too. His
But
name
it
is.
doesn't mean that I don't want any parrots.
You can have it.
No. That one is yours. I'll take a red one. Lips on a
Okay.
red one.
I'm sad we don't have pink parrots.
Of course you are.
Wee! Pichka! Hi!
Yeah,
I didn't
just quickly press F3 and then F2 so you can take a screenshot of the coordinates. Just in case.
have free and just screenshot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. By the way, this forest seems so familiar. So I think I lost Citron here.
Well, or nearby.
Yeah. I think two jungles were next to each other.
Well, we went through quite a large jungle actually.
Oh.
Like the entire video was spent in the jungle basically.
Well, I guess I'll look the same. The place where we climbed up when we got lost. Like we made a tall tower out of sand.
Yeah, I see it.
Maybe she is here.
Maybe. Just check it out.
Citron is a she, by the way. And Peach is a he.
And are they lovebirds?
Yes. Oh my god. I love them so much. They are so cute. Pitka always dancing to Citron. It's so sweet. And Citron just sing and sing and sing and moves her head. It's so cute. They are so noisy when the sun shines through the window. I love them.
Wait, I just found the spot that we were at before.
Oh my god! Mitch!
You found him?
Is this Citron?
Wait, where are you?
On the beach.
Well, be more specific.
Holy shit!
Language.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Which beach? Where are you? Give me your coordinates.
Oh, I see the pillar. Yes, I found Citron!
You did? Wait, I need to go back now. Okay, I'm at the pillar.
Oh my god, I want Citron is on me.
Okay, I'm at the pillar. I'm at the pillar. Where are you? Where are you?
Found me. Behind you, behind you.
There you are.
Oh my god, Citron
Hey,
found me.
that's Citron.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy.
Okay.
My birdies are together.
Yay, the lovebirds.
I love love. Hi, little guy. Oh my god.
Wait. Pose for the picture. Pose for the picture. Ah, that's amazing.
I'm so happy. Oh.
Okay, well, let's not waste your happiness by losing them again, shall we? So, we'll create a portal now.
Oh, oh my god, my little please.
Okay, now come with them through the portal. Okay, both of them are on your shoulder, so come through.
Oh, it is good.
Okay, and now in that direction is the Nether hub. So just follow me over here. Also, they are off your shoulders now because you were jumping and going up and down. Citron is here next to me.
Ah, someone trying to hit me. Attack me.
Well, it's okay. It doesn't matter, just keep going.
Peachka, come with me. Citron.
Also, stay away from fires because the last thing you want is them to go up in flames.
Oh no. Peachka.
Okay, just keep going a bit. Yeah, okay. There they are.
Oh my god, okay.
And through the portal.
Citron.
For this portal, hold on, there's a bit of a gap over here now. So just wait a second.
Thank god I have 2 shoulders. Oh, this too much. This is too much. Ah,
Okay.
finally, sweet home.
Alabama.
No.
Let's see if we can find a nice space for them. Maybe just on the table here.
We need music so they can dance.
Oh no, why did you have to say that? I literally came here with a surprise for you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! I mean, oh my god. Oh.
Wait, this music is horrible. All right,
Yes,
I've
yes.
changed the music on this disc, so hopefully they'll enjoy this music better, and you too. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
And okay,
Okay,
now this is a better party. Yes. Okay, so now that we found your parrots, let's also look for the panda.
And for you, a Mario.
Yeah, a parrot for me would be nice as well, but let's just focus on the panda first. We'll probably run into the parrot before we run into a panda.
Oh
Oh my
no.
god, okay, I found one. Yes, I found one.
That's a panda.
Okay, well you could definitely have this one then. Let's see. I do have an ender chest on me, fortunately, so I can.
Look what I have for you. Oh, it's so cute. Don't do this.
Panda, you want to go through the portal? Yes. Portal.
No, no. Me
So
too.
here's a boat, and here's a lead.
Me too.
Yeah, well, let's think of the naming once he's home, okay?
But I'm just let you know that this panda is ours. So cute. Me too have a panda.
We do, finally. Also, I have the perfect cage for her.
It's a her.
Well, that's what you said.
Okay. Can we name it Honeypot?
Sure.
Come on, Honeypot. No, it's such a bad name. It's a panda.
But it's a
Not a
panda
bear.
bear. Alright, the honor is yours. Go ahead.
I wanted to say that it should be yours. Is you made it possible.
Go for it.
We have a panda.
And it's about to get more fun. Okay, pay attention to him. Or her. To her.
There. It's okay. They can be anything. Okay.
Why do two shoot out? That's weird. Also, I think I'm definitely gonna have to add some to the redstone, cause it's going way too fast.
Maybe he's not hungry.
Probably not.
Oh my god, he
Ate the cake? Yep, there he goes.
Oh my god, I didn't know he can eat cake. She.
Okay, and that concludes our panda adventures. Oh, and a parrot and probably a few other animals that have been included in this episode, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Sandy, you have definitely enjoyed this, I can tell.
Yes.
Alright,
So.
well, Make sure to hit the like button, guys, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to get notified. And we will see you another time. Bye bye.
Bye.